All right, 3 hours. Hey, Morten.
Yeah, you took those off.
Yeah. You good? You just lift the boat, and then you can lift the boat from the end, and then I'll pull the wheels. Pull the wheels.
I can lift it from here. You
Ready?
ready?
Yeah. Set your fingers.
I thought you were off it. You always put the gloves on the half like this. Oh, come on.
Make sure you hold it through the front, because it's gonna take off if you hold it from the back.
Yeah, I was trying to get the phone blocks for you, but it didn't work.
Oh. Maybe you can go on the dock and then walk it up from there.
Yeah. You want to take the dock and I'll try and grab it? No, come up.
Yeah, you can stand on the dock.
Oh, yeah. Water shoes.
We can walk forward. I think I should do this on the road.
With this wind, it's going to be interesting to go out because it's varying just the way you would get Canada.
Okay, I think that's going to be much easier if I am on the boat. Okay.
Walk us down to the corner.
Yeah.
Dock line. At the end, we'll see where the wind. We're going to stop at the corner and then decide which way we want to go. Hopefully we'll go to the left side. It's not good. It was just too much wind, so I started going backwards.
Hey, Jude,
How are you doing?
are you? Hello.
Va.
It's been a while. This boat hasn't sailed in like months.
So, does that mean that you're getting ready to challenge Aaron and I at Hill Country?
Of course.
boy.
The North should be out like later today or tomorrow.
Hill?
The North and
Okay.
then the registration.
Oh, really?
Don't forget to register.
Yeah. I'm actually going to go to the boat and insure it. We're going to take Steve.
That would be great.
Yeah. And I think it'll be the last time I'll be
Out, we're on it.
yeah, with me on it.
That's Steve's sail.
Oh, that is?
This one, yeah.
Cool. What are you guys going to do? Just go up and down a tiny bit?
Yeah. So this is Duke and
Hey,
this
I'm
is
Duke.
Morten.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I'm in training.
This is my little boy.
This is Lux.
Yeah.
Well, little boy, not anymore.
Oh, yeah.
So he'd come at Hill Country and then watch it, or
No, unfortunately, it's not at school. So, for me to do the Hill Country, my folks are coming into town to watch the kids while I go to Hill Country.
oh wow,
Mm-hmm.
so General Rose will be there.
Pardon?
General Rose is going to stay with them.
No, John Rose will be in school on Saturday and Sunday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're busy, but I look forward to seeing you on the
Yeah,
water.
likewise. See you.
Alright, so that's going to be the tricky, but if you can try here. You see the wind is very
Wind is out, so
let's see if we can...
I mean, I think it was a mistake.
No, hold on, let me pull the boat to the side. Let me pull the boat.
You want it out that way?
Yeah, the back, so that we can turn and take off like this. So, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, that should be the other puff coming, look. Big, nice wind.
Now what, jump on
Now
board?
push forward if you can. Give it some speed forward, and then pull down.